Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to run a heartworm snap test. So this is a feline heartworm snap test, and it requires a whole blood sample. Whole blood needs to be anticoagulated, so this blood has been collected into a purple top tube that has EDTA anticoagulant in it. And you want to make sure that your conjugate has a matching lot number that matches with the lot number on the test pouch. You don't want to be using conjugate from another box of tests with the wrong test with the wrong lot number. So you take your conjugate. The conjugate is blue. There's 4 letters in the word blue, so we're going to put 4 drops of the conjugate into our test tube. Okay, I'm going to open my test. And then I'm going to add blood. And blood is red, and there's 3 letters in the word red, so we're going to put 3 drops of blood. Now before you can run the test, you need to make sure that all components are at room temperature. So the mixture of blood and conjugate needs to be at room temperature, and the actual test itself needs to be at room temperature. If it's too cold, it may not run well enough to get results. So after I've mixed my sample with my conjugate, I'm going to pour all of it into the sample well. And now I'm going to wait for the mixture to reach the activation circle, which is the circle that I'm pointing to here. As soon as it appears in this circle, that's when I can snap the test. If 60 seconds elapse and the test window does not fill, you need to discard this test and get another test. If 60 seconds elapses and the test window has been filled, but it's not appearing in the activation circle, you can go ahead and snap it. You also want to make sure that the test stays on a flat surface. So as you can see, it's appearing in the activation circle, so I'm going to go ahead and snap it. I'm going to use the butt of my hand to do that. And according to the directions for this particular test, I need to read the results at 10 minutes. Each test has a different amount of time that you have to wait. Most of them are 8 or 10 minutes, so make sure that you consult the instructions that come in the box.